loves, welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss in the house. Today is a super short review about the Originals hair mayonnaise. So let's go ahead and get started. So this product is a protein treatment. This is what it looks like. It is very thick in texture. I decided to go ahead and give this product a try simply because I felt like my hair was just weak and not necessarily damaged, but very weak, I'm sorry, and just need a pick-me-upper. So I decided to go with this product, and it's one of the most cheapest hair products that one can buy. So you saw the amount that I'm applying to my strands, and I'm only applying it to my strands. FYI, I've already shampooed my hair, so now I'm just going in with this product. Okay, so the purpose of this product is to treat weak damaged hair with organic herbs, olive oil, and egg protein. Okay, it also is formulated with extra virgin olive oil. By the way, you guys, if you're new here, go ahead, click that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and click that bell's notification so that you'll be updated on new videos that are released. Okay, usually I try to release videos every week, but it's a lot going on, so I have not been able to do so. The benefit of this product is to detangle and moisturize and reconstruct. You can use this product on color treated hair, okay? Doesn't matter if you have relaxed hair or natural hair, you can use this product. So I'm going on with the next step. Per the directions, to allow the product to sit in your hair anywhere between 10 to 15 minutes. It does not mention that you need to add heat, okay? But I just like heat because I got low porosity hair, so that's why I placed this bag on top of my hair. The scent smells horrible, you guys, but it's durable. So if you're not following me on Instagram, there's my information below. Make sure you follow me there because I post pictures up there pretty frequent. So it's been 15 minutes later and your girl is truly excited. So I'm going in and I am removing the bag. So pretty much what I want to see is if whether or not the product melted into my hair. And as you guys can see, most of it did, but there are some spots where product is still sitting on top of my hair. I'm not going to rate this bad in any way. Overall, so far, I'll definitely give it a 7.5. So I've just gotten done rinsing the products out of my hair. I did use warm water, okay? Don't like cold water, not my juice. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and remove my hair towel. If you're interested in that towel, I did do a super short review on this towel. I will have a card above for you guys to check that out. So here's my hair. You guys, my hair looked like it loved the product. For the most part, my hair looks really great. This is how I like to see my hair. So love it. Oh, by the way, FYI, this is a 15 ounce. If you're wondering how big the tub of this product is, you definitely get your money's worth. Hope this video was helpful. Smooches. Mwah.